I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on National Cohesion, Equal Opportunity and Regional Integration on the matter of national concern regarding the transparency, fairness, and integrity of the recruitment process, particularly in light of reports that the candidate ranked first by the Board of the Technical and Vocational Education and Training Authority was not appointed. In the statement, Mr. Speaker, sir, the committee should address the following. 1, the criteria, justification, and legal basis upon which Dr. Wanyeki Paul Machocho was appointed as the Director General of TVETA, notwithstanding that Muriasi Arabu Josia had been recommended by the TVET board as the top-ranked candidate following a competitive recruitment process. Second, Mr. Speaker, the committee should provide a comprehensive account of the recruitment and appointment process, including the number of applicants, the shortlisted candidates, the interview and evaluation criteria, the scores attained by each of the shortlisted candidates, the recommendations made by the board, the names submitted to the head of public service, and indicate whether the process complied with the Constitution, the Technical and Vocational Education and Training Act, the State Corporations Act, the Public Service Commission Act, and the applicable government guidelines governing the appointment of chief executive officers and head of state corporations, giving reasons for any departures from the prescribed procedure. 3, the committee should state whether the appointing authority departed from the recommendations of the board, and if so, provide the legal and policy justification for appointing a candidate other than the one ranked first, including whether the board's recommendation was rejected, varied, or set aside, and if so, under what authority. 4, clarify whether any complaints, petitions, appeals, or court proceedings were lodged regarding the recruitment or appointment process, and if so, provide their status and the measures taken to address the issues raised. Finally, outline the measures the ministry responsible for technical and vocational education have put in place to safeguard the independence, transparency, meritocracy, and accountability of recruitment process for senior leadership positions in state corporation, and to prevent similar concerns from arising in future appointments. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Kajwang, Senator Abdul, and Senator